Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to start next chapter of Maths, area of circle, factor and segment of class 10 from the mathematics books R.F. Agrawal. Okay, so students, in this chapter we know about what is the central angle, what is the factor of a circle, and what is the segment of a circle, and also know about find the area of a factor and find the area of the segment of a circle. Okay, so let's start. First is what is the central angle of a circle. Okay, so students, this is a circle. O is the center of the circle, and OA and OB is the radius of the circle, radii of the circle. Okay, so students, what is the central angle of this circle? So what is the central angle? An angle sustained by an arc. Circle this is the circumference of the circle, and the part of the circumference of a circle is called an arc. So students, here, so AB is the arc. Okay, and BA is also an arc. So AB is the minor arc and BA is the major arc. Okay, students, an angle sustained by an arc. So in this figure, AB is a minor arc. Okay, AB is the minor arc, or an arc sustained an angle at the center of a circle. Okay, so it's called its central angle. Okay, so students, AB is the arc of the circle, okay, and this arc sustained an angle theta at the center of the circle, so this angle theta is called the central angle of a circle. Okay, so central angle of arc AB equal to angle AOB equal to theta degree. Students, if theta is less than 180 degree, if angle theta is less than 180 degree, then arc is minor. So if theta is less than 180 degree, then we say that the arc AB is called the minor arc and arc BA is called the major arc, because theta, students, AB is the minor arc, then BA is the major arc. And students, next term related to the circle is factor of the circle. Okay, so what is the factor of the circle? Factor of the circle is the area, is the region of the circle, the part of a circle. Okay, so students, in this figure, the region enclosed by an arc, the region enclosed by an arc of a circle and its two bonding radii is called a factor of the circle. So students, this part is called the factor of the circle. The factor of the circle is the part of a circle. Factor of the circle is the part of a circle which is bonded by which is bonded by an arc and the two radii of the circle. Okay, so factor of the circle is the part of a circle. Is the part of a circle. This part is bonded by an arc AB and the two radius OA and OB, where O is the center of this circle and OA and OB is the radius and AB is the arc of this circle. For students, in this figure, OACBO is the factor of the circle. Okay, is the factor of a circle with center O. With center O. If arc AB is the minor arc, if arc AB is the minor arc, then we say that this factor is minor factor. It's called the minor factor. And this arc, this is also is the factor of a circle, because ki this area is also bonded by an arc BA and the two radii OA and OB, where this arc is major arc and major arc, this arc BA is the major arc, then we say that this factor is called the major factor. Okay, this factor is called the major factor. For students, AB is the minor arc, then this factor is called the minor factor, and the remaining part of the circle is called the major factor of the circle. Okay, find the area of the factor of a circle. Find the area of the factor of a circle. So, what is the area of a factor? What is the area of factor of the circle? For students, a circle is also called the factor of a circle. Okay, if अगर हम ये कहें कि ये सर्किल जो है पूरी तरह से एक फैक्टर है, कैसे कि अगर हम यहाँ सेंटर माने O और यहाँ से हमने एक रेडियस ड्रॉ किया OA और यहीं पर एक रेडियस हमने ड्रॉ किया दूसरा OB भी, दोनों रेडियस यही है, तो ये दोनों रेडियस जो है पूरी तरह से मूव करके इस पॉइंट पे आ जाएगा, तो दिस इज द कंप्लीट सर्किल, दिस इज द कंप्लीट फैक्टर ऑफ दिस सर्किल. तो ये एंगल यहाँ पर कितना हो जाएगा 360 डिग्री. जब हम एरिया निकालते हैं सर्किल का, तो सर्किल का एरिया क्या होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो पाई आर स्क्वायर जब थीटा इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री, then arc of the circle is pi r square, area of the circle is pi r square. Okay, and if यदि थीटा 1 डिग्री होगा तो पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 360 डिग्री. अगर थीटा 1 डिग्री है, जब थीटा 360 डिग्री है तो एरिया क्या बनता है पाई आर स्क्वायर, चूंकि कंप्लीट सर्किल बनता है हमारा. ओके, तो 360 डिग्री अगर एंगल यहाँ है तो हमारा एरिया क्या होता है सर्किल का पाई आर स्क्वायर. अगर 1 डिग्री एंगल होगा तो पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 360 डिग्री. और अगर थीटा डिग्री एंगल है, सपोज दैट थीटा डिग्री, तो वी राइट कि पाई आर स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई थीटा बाई 360 डिग्री. ओके, सो कंप्लीट सर्किल इज द factor of a circle. Complete circle is the factor, and the find the area of the circle is pi r square. Pi r square multiply theta by 360 degree, where theta is the central angle of the circle. Theta is the central angle of the circle. Here complete circle theta is 350 degree. For put the theta equal to 350, 350, 350 is cancel. Then the area of the circle is pi r square. Okay. For students, area of the sector of a circle. What is the area of the sector of a circle? The area of the sector of a circle is pi r square multiplied theta by 360 degree. Okay. In a circle with center O and radius OA and OB, AB is the length of the arc. AB is the length of the arc. An arc, that is the minor arc. So if the length of the minor arc AB, length of the minor arc AB equal to, चूंकि arc, what is arc? तो arc is the part of a circumference. जैसे sector is the part of a circle, ठीक उसी प्रकार arc is the part of a circumference. तो ये complete arc जो है हमारा सर्किल का 2 पाई आर है. 2 पाई आर इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्किल. तो 2 पाई आर जो है वो हमारे सेंटर पे कितने डिग्री का एंगल बना रहा है? 360 डिग्री का एंगल बना रहा है. तो अब हम कहें कि लेंथ ऑफ द माइनर आर्क ए बी, अगर हम इस ए बी के लेंथ को हम फाइंड करना चाहें कि फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द माइनर आर्क ए बी, तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं क्या कि 2 पाई आर, 2 पाई आर, 2 पाई आर, 2 pi r is the circumference of the complete circle. Okay, so 2 pi r into theta by 360. Okay, this is the length of the minor arc AB. Okay, 2 pi r theta by 360 degree. यदि theta equal to 360 डिग्री, अगर सेंटर पे 360 डिग्री का एंगल बनेगा तो ये कंप्लीट आर्क होगा. तो कंप्लीट आर्क क्या होता है? 2 पाई आर is the circumference of a circle. तो 360 degree, then the arc of the circle is 2 pi r, and if यदि theta equal to 1 degree, then the 2 pi r by 360, and theta equal to theta degree, then the 2 pi r by 360 multiply theta. So the arc length of the arc, that is minor arc, length of the minor arc is the 2 pi r into theta by 360 degree. Okay. For students, area of the sector of a circle is also, एक सेकेंड फॉर्मूला एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्किल क्या? 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई रेडियस मल्टीप्लाई लेंथ ऑफ आर्क, लेंथ ऑफ एन आर्क. तो स्टूडेंट्स बी राइट कि 1/2 and radius is r and length of arc is 2 pi r theta by 360 degree. Okay, so 2 is cancel, 2 is cancel, or here pi r square theta by 360 degree. So this is okay. Finally, ki area of the, find the area of the sector of a circle. So area of the sector of a circle is pi r square theta by 360 degree, and the formula length of the arc of the circle, that is the minor arc of the circle, then a minor arc of the length of the minor arc of the circle is 2 pi r theta by 360 degree. Okay, students, our next term is related to the circle is the segment of a circle. What is the segment of a circle? Segment is the circle, is the part of a circle or that region of the circle which is bounded by an arc and a chord. An arc and a chord. So a segment of a circle is the region. A segment of a circle is the region which is bounded by an arc, which is bounded by an arc and a chord, and an arc and a chord bounded by, including the arc and the chord. So students, in this figure, this region of the circle is called the segment of the circle, okay, which is bounded by an arc, which is bounded by an arc AB, ACB and the chord AB, okay. For this region is called the segment of the circle. This region is called the segment of the circle, okay. For students, the segment containing the minor arc, the segment containing the minor arc is called the minor segment, and the while segment containing the major arc is called this is major segment, okay. The center of a circle, the center of a circle lies in the major segment, यानी सेंटर जो होगा सर्किल का वो हमेशा मेजर फिगमेंट में होगा। जिस फिगमेंट में सर्किल पाया जाए वो फिगमेंट मेजर होगा, ओके। फिगमेंट इज द रीजन of the circle which is bounded by an arc and a chord, okay. So find the area of the segment. So area of the segment for students, join OA and OB. For students, this is the sector of the circle, okay. This region is the sector of this circle, okay, because the sector of the circle is the region of the circle which is bounded by an arc and the two radii of the circle, okay. So find the area of the segment, find the area of the segment. So area of the segment equal to area of the sector, area of the sector minus area of triangle OA, area of triangle OAB. अगर हम पूरे फैक्टर OACBO इज द फैक्टर ऑफ द सर्किल, तो इस पूरे फैक्टर ऑफ द सर्किल में अगर हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल OAB को क्या करें माइनस कर दे तो हमारा जो एरिया बचेगा वो किसका एरिया बचेगा, फिगमेंट का एरिया होगा। क्लियर है। फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, एरिया ऑफ द फिगमेंट ऑफ the circle equal to pi r square theta by 360 degree. This is the area of the sector of the circle. This is the area of the sector of a circle. Area of the sector of a circle is pi r square theta by 360 degree. Clear? If theta is less than 180 degree, that sector is the minor sector, and theta is more than 180 degree, that sector is the major sector. Okay? So pi r square theta by 360 degree, the area of the sector minus 1 by 2 r square sine theta is the area of the circle OAB. OAB. For students, area of the segment equal to pi r square theta by 360 degree minus 1 by 2 r square sine theta. R is the radius of the circle and theta is the central angle of this circle. Okay. For question number 11, a sector is cut from a circle. A sector is cut from a circle of radius 21 centimeter, and the angle of the sector is 150 degree. Find the length of the arc and the area of the sector. For students, let's start solution. The radius of the circle is r equal to 21 centimeter and the theta is given 150 degree. So first find the length of the arc. For students, length of the arc is using the formula 2 pi r theta by 360 degree. Okay, that is 2 multiply 22 by 7. The value of the pi equal to 22 by 7 and r equal to 21 multiply theta equal to 150 degree and by 360 degree. 0 0 is cancel. 7 3 are 21 okay, and 3 12 ja 36, and 3 4 ja 12, and 3 5 ja 15, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 11 ja 22, 11 5 ja 55 centimeter. For students, the length of the arc of the circle is 55 centimeter. Okay, and next is the find the area of the sector. For area of the sector equal to pi r square theta by 360 degree. Area of the sector. For students, pi that is the 22 by 7, r that is the r square to 21 multiply 21, and theta equal to 150 by 360. For 0 0 is cancel. 3 5 ja 15, and 3 12 ja 36. Okay, and 7 3 ja 21. Clear? And 3 7 ja 21, and 3 4 ja 12. Okay, for students, here 22 multiply 3 multiply 7, that is 21, and multiply 5 by 4. Okay, for students, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 11 ja 22. So 21 5 ja 105, or multiply 11 by 2. Okay, for 105 multiply 11, 105 and 105. Okay, for 5 5 1 1. For 1155 by 2 equal to, divided by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14, 1.025 ja 10. That is the 577.5 feet. Okay, of square centimeter. Clear? Thank you.